And today we're going to be talking about this Fanttik cordless screwdriver set. It has 14 pieces with it, fully adjustable cordless driver. Let's open it up, take a look at it, and see exactly what we're going to get. How to use me. Here's you a nice quick start guide right here on the very front. It's a pretty cool box. You don't see messages in here all the time. I believe you've been expecting me. Let's open it up. They give you a magnet. That's pretty cool. User manual. And a hard case. Check that out. It's actually a nice solid case for your screwdriver. It has a sliding lock on it. We're going to unlock it and take a look. And here it is. Now you can see that you have a bit extender right here. And does it have a magnet in it? Yes, it does. It is magnetic. You have a variety of Phillips head, Torx head, flat heads, and hex heads. And you have a USB to USB-C charge cord. Open, there's a hidden bit down here. That's just an extended Phillips head. I believe that was supposed to go in here. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the actual screwdriver itself. And check out this dude. It's in this nice matte gray finish. It's got a nice easy grip trigger right here. You can see it has the release right here. So whenever you put your tips in, it's going to actually lock. It's not going to fall out. You actually have to pull this ring forward to release your bit. That's a very nice feature to have. You do have an LED ring to assist you in seeing, especially in those tight dark spaces. And you can adjust your torque settings right here. I don't know if you guys can see the screen, but you can go through 6 different torque settings. 4, 5, 6, and back to 1. So very nice feature that you can control your torque. If you're working on a project and you want to set all the screws the same, you pick the torque setting you want, you just go until it stops, and all your screws will be the same and have the same consistent tightness or torque. Now this is 3.6 volts, and I can stop in 1, which you would expect I could. Let's go to 2. Pretty tough. At 3, I can't even hold it no more. And it goes all the way up to 6. So you're not going to have any issues driving screws with this. And then if you want to switch from forward to reverse, you have this little button on the back right here. So it's a very sleek, modern looking screwdriver. It comes with the case to keep all your bits nice together and organized. And this is perfect for doing those little odd jobs and maintenance at your house. Hanging pictures, putting together furniture, things like that. And just overall a nice screwdriver. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.